Hello my supporters, thanks for visiting my channel. Today I have this amazing recipe for you. It's chicken korma. I usually make this on a special occasions, but you can make this anytime. I really don't want to waste your time, so let's get on with the recipe. I've got 1 baby chicken here and 5 small potatoes. They're peeled and washed. In this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Now mix everything together and prepare it to fry them. I'm going to make the same recipe on Eid Day. If you guys celebrating Eid too, then Eid Mubarak to you and your family in advance. In a preheated pan, add some oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Now fry the chicken pieces and the potatoes, but only for a minute. It's really important for you to know that the whole process of this recipe must be done on a slow flame. So make sure you don't fry the chicken for too long and make them brown. It's been a minute, so let's turn them over. As you can see, they're still white. It's not golden brown. This is the color that you need. Now let's take the chicken pieces out and keep it aside. I will fry the potatoes 1 more minute only because it takes a bit more longer. Just before you start turning brownish, take them out and keep it aside with the chicken. Now let's start cooking the main spices. In the same pan, add 2 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 7 cardamoms, 4 cloves, and 10 whole black peppers. Now fry all these whole spices for about 10 seconds. Then add 1 big chopped onion. Now fry the onion and the whole spices together, but again it's really important that you don't make it go brown. When the onion is ready, then add 2 tablespoons of onion paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. You will need korma masala, which you can buy from your local grocery store. I'm using this brand called Lazat, but I'm not sponsored from them. So 1 tablespoon of korma masala, 1 tablespoon of almond paste, and finally 1 tablespoon cashew paste. Just to let you know guys, this is the blender that I use. It's Von Chef, and it is the best blender I ever purchased in my life. So I thought I'll share with you so you can buy one too. The price is very reasonable for the quality that you get. Just to be clear, I'm not sponsored from Von Chef, so I'm not here for marketing. I just wanted to recommend and share my opinion to you guys. If you feel like buying this, then click on the link in my description box below. Now let's get back to the recipe. I'm going to combine everything together and cook until the onion is blended in with everything. Make sure you cook on slow flame so the masala doesn't get burnt. While this one's cooking, we're going to get a separate pan and get our milk mixture ready. So in here I've got 1.5 glass of milk. Add 150 ml of double cream. Mix a little bit, bring it to boil, and then leave this on slow heat on the side until the chicken is ready. It's been about 10 minutes. As you can see, all the oil is coming out from the masala. That's when you know the mixture is ready. Now it's time to add the chicken pieces and the potatoes in here. Mix everything together so the masala can be nicely coated on the chicken and the potatoes. If you are really enjoying watching this recipe, then please subscribe to my channel. It's been about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a quick mix and cook this for about 15 minutes. So the chicken and the potatoes will be fully cooked with this gravy. You can put the lid on also if you like, so that it's not time consuming. Just make sure you leave this on slow flame and you can go and do your other things, but don't forget to come back to it. It's been 15 minutes, so let's have a look. It's already looking so tasty. I can tell everything is perfectly cooked, so now it's time to add the milk mixture to it. I make this recipe on every Eid and I always get compliments from my family and friends. I highly request for you to try this recipe at home, and please let me know in the comment box below what you think. Now keep stirring on slow flame so it doesn't get burnt, and cook this for another 5 minutes. Check out my prawn curry recipe which I uploaded last week. It is so tasty. Every Sunday I upload a new recipe, so please subscribe my channel and you will not miss anything. When you start noticing the oil is coming out from the gravy, that's when you know it's done. So let's move on to the final touch. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Again, I'm not sponsored for any brand that I'm showing to you. Add a pinch of saffron and finish it off with 1 teaspoon of korma powder. Let me know in the comment box below what you think of this recipe, and if you have any suggestions, I will be more than happy to bring it on for you. To get to know me more, follow me on social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. If you like my recipe, then please click on the thumbs up icon below. And to get notified of my latest recipe, click the bell icon. Now let's just concentrate just for a few seconds and look at this chicken korma. It is so tasty and it has so much flavor. Perfect with plain rice or pulao rice. I'm going to disappear now so I can make some pulao rice to go with this. I really appreciate your time for watching my recipe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care till then.